YouTube channel and welcome to today's episode. If you're new here, I'm Jemmy and this is Jemmyfoodie, and in this channel we share content about food, information about food. So if you're new here and if you have not subscribed yet, kindly subscribe so that you do not miss all this goodness that we share in this channel. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to prepare oven baked potato wedges. This is a very simple recipe that you can try, and it's a festive season, guys. You need very many ideas of what you can cook for your people or what you can have during this festive season. So guys, come with me and let's do this. I'm going to start by washing our potatoes. We are going to use medium-sized potatoes, and for this recipe I'm not going to peel the potatoes, so we are using it with the skin. So you have to scrub them to remove all the dirt. Rinse your potatoes well with running water to avoid transferring dirt into your final product. Now we're going to cut our potatoes into wedges like this. So what you will do is you will take your potato, your medium-sized potato, slice it into half longitudinally. Then you will take the other half and slice it into two. There you have perfect wedges, and you will do that for the rest of your potatoes. Having your potatoes with the skin on is a very healthy way of enjoying your potatoes. You're introducing very healthy and nice fiber to your meal, and it's a good thing. You can try this. We now have our perfectly cut out wedges. We're going to go ahead and prepare the spices, then mix the spices with the wedges, then bake our potatoes. To your mixing bowl, add a teaspoonful of paprika, a teaspoonful of garam masala, a teaspoonful of curry powder, salt to taste, add oil. Make sure you've added enough oil. And mix to blend all the spices together. I also added a dash of black pepper to give my potatoes some good taste. I love black pepper. Then mix everything together before we can now add our potato wedges into the mixing bowl and bake. Our spices are now ready. We are going to go ahead and add our potato wedges into the bowl. Then toss them around, mix them and toss them around so that all the flavors and spices mix well with the wedges. Yes. After properly mixing and ensuring that the spices are blended so well with the wedges, we're going to go ahead and prepare our baking tray. We're going to take our baking tray and line it with parchment paper. You can use aluminum foil if you do not have parchment paper for this. But parchment paper works so well because the wedges will not stick to the bottom of your pan or the foil, but you can still use foil. Ensure that you've spread enough oil on your foil if you do not have parchment paper. So you're going to put our wedges on the baking tray like this, then bake them. If you're using foil, remember to apply oil on the surface of the foil so that your wedges do not stick to the bottom. We are going to bake our potato wedges in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, but you always remember to keep checking your potatoes. "30 minutes later, our oven baked potato wedges are ready, and you can serve them with chicken, with stew. You can have them alone with whichever sauce that you like. Yes, and I hope that you have learned and that you're going to try this recipe in your own kitchen. It's a very easy and simple one, a very quick fix. There's no need of flipping your food or babysitting your food. Just put in the oven and allow it to cook, to bake for 30 minutes. And there you have. And there you have your potato wedges. Let's now serve them. 'We now have our final product. You can have it with a sauce of your liking. I'm having mine with ketchup and they look so yummy. Yes, let's try. They're very yummy and well cooked. They're crunchy on the outside and very soft on the inside. I hope that you're going to try this recipe in your own kitchen. Thank you guys.